Hey people, welcome to this section. In this section, we will understand about character literals. So basically, what is character literal? So literal characters are characters which does not have any special meaning. Rather, they are the simplest form of characters or patterns. You can also think of literal characters as the most basic literal expressions. Now let us understand in micro level. Now what is a character? You can say that a character is any letter, number, space or punctuation mark or any other symbol that you can type on a computer. And if you know any other programming languages, we know that character symbols can be represented inside a single quote. For example, if I just say C and if I just put it inside an apostrophe or a single quote, you can say that this is a character. So this is a character literal in other programming languages, but this is not true in case of regular expressions. Okay, in case of regular expressions, character symbols are not represented using a single comma. So basically, character literals in regular expressions are the most simplest and the most basic literals, and you have to consider this as whatever they appear. For example, if I just go here, if I just write A, okay, so A means A. Similarly, if I write apple, it means apple. If I write 1, 2, 3, that means it is 1, 2, 3. Okay, if I just write true, it means it is true. So whatever the literal meaning of that particular character we have, the same thing you can consider as character literals. Okay, if I just write equals, that means it is equals. Okay, we should not consider this equal as assignment operator or something else, because if you consider this equals as assignment operator, that means you are considering that it is having a special meaning. But if you don't know what is exactly assignment operator and just think about this equals, so basically equals is equals, true is true, 1, 2, 3 means 1, 2, 3. If I write Java, so Java means Java. If I write Perl, that means Perl is Perl, right? Now consider few examples. Now suppose I have here apples, okay, and I just want to match, for example, apple. Then you see that this apple is matching here. Okay, now this is not exactly matching apples. You see here it matches apple here, okay, and S is left out. Similarly, if I just write here, for example, if I just write true, so if I try to match true and if I just give the pattern as true, you see that it has given me one match, right? So this is how you can think of character literals. Now let us take a string. For example, if I just say I love Java, and let's say like Java can also interact with mainframe, and I love mainframe too. Now suppose I give my pattern as Java. You see that it has matched Java here, but it has not matched Java which is here, because this J is in capital letter. So by default, regular expression is case sensitive. Now if you just want to make the regular expression as case insensitive, then what you can do here is you can go here and you have this option that is insensitive. So if you just click on this insensitive flag, you see that now it has matched two, that is this Java as well as this Java, right? So for the time being, let's make this as sensitive. Okay, so I'll just remove this flag. Similarly, if you just write here mainframe, so you can see that it has given two matches, one here and one here. Okay, now similarly, let us just delete this and I'll just give here 1 2 3 4 5, and my search pattern, if I just give 1 2, you see that it has matched 1 2. Similarly, if I just give 1 2 3 space 4 5, you see that it has matched this 1 2, and instead of 4 5, let's make as 1 2. So you see that first it has matched this 1 2, and then it has matched this 1 2 as well. Now let us delete this. Let's make it as 3 3, and if I just give my search pattern as 3 3, you see that it is a full match. If I just make 3 3 3, you see that it has matched this 3 3 but not this 3, because it is not having a 3 again after this 3, right? So if I just give here 3, you see that it is having 2 matches, right? Similarly, if I just give 3 3 3 3 3, you see that it has 2 matches, that is this 3 3 and the next 3 3, and it has left out this 3. Now some of you might argue that why it has not matched this 3 3 and this 3 3 and so on. Now the simple reason for this is regular expressions start searching from left to right. Okay, so first it has matched this 3 3 and it is a match, so it moves forward and again searches 3 3 and it has found. Now it moves forward and it tries to match 3 3 again, but here we have only 3, so it is not able to match, right? So take the literal characters the way they are. So I hope the idea is very clear about literal characters. So this is just the starting point of regular expressions. You can see that the character literals are very simple. In the same way, this entire course will be very simple. Please be motivated, and I'll see you in the next video lesson. So happy learning and take care.